Hey guys, this is Common Red War Robots back with another video. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the DX Knight Invoker Buckle and Breakham Buster. So, I know this video has been a long time coming, but I just haven't really gotten around to reviewing it. My original plan was going to be that I was going to review it alongside the Breakham Zetzer, but I guess that just didn't happen. So, just grabbing the something that I rarely show off in these videos, and that is the box. So here you have Nox Knight, who uses these two. The title of the set down here. The Breakham Buster, Bandai logo, the two capsules that it comes with. Let's see, on this side it just shows the the contents, QR code for instructions, and I feel like my camera is probably gonna pick that up, possibly. If it will focus. Come on, focus. I'll try that later. On the other side, you get a picture of Nox Knight. Well, two pictures of Nox Knight, actually. And then the back. So it just shows what the stuff can do, like what the different items can do, and yeah, so that's it for the box. I rarely show those off in videos, but hey. So, to start, just take your fingernail and unclip the two sides of the, I guess what we'll call the Zetz driver buckle, and then here's the Knight Invoker buckle. And then that just clips on like that. And I guess now we'll look at the two capsules that come with the set. You get the erased capsule, which I guess starts here, and it's basically erasing all the color from the background. And I think that's supposed to be Nox Knight in there. So, and here we have the, I guess, what would either be called the blank capsum or the void capsum. So, if you can see, like, right there, those two gauges are the only, animation, in this capsum. Spoilers, this does basically nothing in here, but, just to prove that, yeah, it makes an error noise, so now, let's test the capsums. So we'll start, well, I guess next we'll do erase. And there you get the transformation into Nox Knight. Or possibly just the Knight riders in, or at least the, I guess, I don't know what you would call the rival characters in Zets, like Nox Knight, kind of like collectively, I'm not really sure, but, yeah, spoilers, this isn't the only capsum that makes that standby jingle. If you've seen the poster for the current arc of Kamen Rider Zets, there are 3 others that are going to be coming. So, oh yeah, the first finisher, or rather the ability, the first attack, the erase fatal, and now the, I guess, over fatal. Now, okay, that's it for the, erase capsum. So let me just, deactivate the transformation and take that off. And then now we can look at the, Breakham Buster. So, like the Breakham Zetzer, it comes in 2 pieces. The handle piece with the electronics, that is basically just a repaint of the one that comes with the Breakham Zetzer. The new piece is this chainsaw bit. So to start, basically take this and attach it like this. And there you get caliber mode. And through some research, I actually found out that this is actually voiced by the same guy who voices the Abaddon Slash Riser and the Abaddon Shot Riser from the 01 real-time movie, which is kind of cool. I've always really liked the sounds that Driver makes, but so it's nice to hear that the guy came back to voice this thing. So one thing that this has that the Breakham Zetzer doesn't is a charge attack. So you just well, actually, first let's just press the trigger for a basic attack. And you get a, I guess, chainsaw slash. So holding it down. And then you get a stronger attack. So, switching it to this. Launcher mode. And you get launcher mode. This is my favorite of the two modes. And there's the basic attack and powered up attack. And just put this down. Spoiler warning for Kamen Rider War Robots 3. Unfortunately, this mode is what destroys Starscream. Even though, in the context of the game, Nox Knight is actually being used by Starscream in the body of Bune Diesel. I guess just kind of like using the character of Bune Diesel because Power Rangers Robots in Disguise needs a flying transformer. But yeah, this is what defeats him. So anyways, on to the attacks. And in the context of the show, Nox Knight uses the erase capsule. But just for simplicity, we're going to be using the one that it came with. So That was the Breakham Burst. And then here's the back, just so I don't forget, here's the back with the same capsule release button and mode change release button as the Breakham Zetzer. So and here's the attack that unfortunately defeats Starscream. Yeah, unfortunately, the Breakam cannon is the one attack that ends Starscream, at least in the current version of the script for Kamen Rider War Robots 3. Hopefully, that changes so that way, this won't be able to end Starscream. So yeah, if you guys have seen Power Rangers RPM, second spoiler warning incoming, Venjix is possibly going to be the main villain of the third Kamen Rider War Robots game or movie, or I don't know. Haven't quite decided yet. So, yeah, that was the Breakham Zetzer. Or no, shush. That was the review of the Breakham Buster and Night Invoker Buckle set, which I've really been wanting to get to for a while now. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell next to the subscribe button for notifications. So, this is Kamen Rider War Robots, signing off. Goodbye in the end.